Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link YouTube Shorts to full video. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube and you need to open your channel first. So click on your channel picture, click on YouTube Studio. So once you are in your YouTube Studio, you simply need to click on create, click on upload video, click on select files, and here you need to add a short video from your PC or wherever you want. So I'm going to add this intro. So basically this is a short video for 45 seconds. So here you can see that now it is uploading. So you simply need to go on to the next step. Here you can see that connect another of your videos to your video. So click on add and you can connect any of your video. For example, I am going to connect this one. Here you can see that it is now connected with my this short video. So here you can see that, then you need to click on next and then you need to upload your video. So this is the process how you can link YouTube Shorts to full video. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.